What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's an exciting day. Today's the day we'll finally be taking the family car to the shop, and we're going to be installing a cam and converter on it finally. It's been good to us and running good, just with the simple bolt-ons it's been having, but it's time to step it up. So excited about that. Let's get to the shop and get the teardown started. The last time it'll be sounding this quiet. Alright, so we got the car on the lift. Get ready to tear this bad boy down. Got all my parts here. Head studs, cam, injectors, springs, push rods, oil pump, new one-piece drive shaft, new coilovers, a Circle D converter. It's all in there, and the fresh gaskets. Let the teardown begin. Alright, updates on the car. We got the transmission out. Got that on the trans stand. Got the blower on the ground. All the exhaust and stuff. Everything's tagged and bagged so we don't misplace anything. And the motor's pretty much ready to come out. Cherry picker out. Ready or what?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright. There we go. There she goes. She's out. Alright, disassembling the rockers right now, so I can get the heads off. We get the heads sent out to the machine shop, get them cleaned up and make sure they don't need to get resurfaced or anything. Alright, got one set off. Get the passenger side done. Alright, heads are off of the block. Everything looks nice and clean in there. Not too bad. Looks super clean. We did have a broken timing chain guide right here, which is a good thing that we took the motor apart. Oopsie daisy. It's a known common thing on these CTS to wear out, and it was loose and it was broken. Luckily it didn't cause no damage to the motor. Next thing I'm going to do is clean the surface where the heads go on the block with Scotch-Brite. When the heads come back, I'm ready to get installed. Alright, so the block is all Scotch-Brited and cleaned up for the fresh head gaskets. When the heads come back, ready to go on. Since gotta wait for that to come back, I'm going to start tearing apart the suspension on the car and start getting these new coilovers in the front and in the rear. Also got to change my rear rotors and pads. These are the rear Viking coilovers that are going to be going in the back. This replaces the bucket that holds the springs, and then these are the front coilovers right here. So I'm going to start tearing down the back of the rear suspension to get these things in there. So this will be eliminated, this whole spring and this bucket here, and that's where the new coilover will go. Let's get it. Alright, so new coilovers are in, fresh rotors on the car. Got my TRZ lower bar right here. And Fat Boy, what you got going on over here?
Yeah, just working on those.
Quarter pound of rubber over here, man.
What you need? What you need? You got enough to go around.
Oh my god.
We're about to make a skinny out this motherfucker.
all the rubber that's from out the years burning out. Pretty heavy bag. We're gonna have to weigh that. Look at all that rubber, dude.
Look. Still got a lot to go.
Alright guys, that'll do it for today's episode. So we got the motor out, got the head sent out and picked up, got the rear coilovers in, got the front coilovers in. It's been a long day. I'm pretty burnt out. That'll do it for today. So check you guys out on the next one. Peace.